Welcome back to the Bong Mom's Kitchen with SOUMYA'Shree at Twinkle Thomas Food TV. When we talk about cooking, we kind of envisage our mothers, ladies, some gents of course, some trons like me who come into the kitchen, but we generally don't associate young people with cooking, which is of course very wrong. Today, young people are as adventurous into the kitchen as into anything else in life. And it always gives me a lot of pleasure, therefore, to interact with young people who are not yet ready to be called Bong Moms, but not even in the near future, but are ready to handle the ladle and the apron in the kitchen. Some of them might be into quite a lot of complicated food, like my friend who made that butter chicken, or my friend who had made that hot garlic chicken. But often enough, something that is very necessary and quick and easy is also very necessary in the day-to-day life, and that is why these young people have their own way, own fix, own methods of making things easy and quick, so that they have a little bit of fun, they have food that they want to, and they are happy. So today I'm going to be welcoming one such young person who will come here and convert my Bong Mom's Kitchen into a happy space with her brand of happy food. This lady I'm talking about, this young lady, has just completed her schooling and is just going into her higher studies, and will be coming with her own take of a very popular food that we have, that we're so used to having delivered to us through home delivery. So without much wastage of time, let me call in my Atithi today. My Atithi is SOHINI Roy. So SOHINI, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to the Bong Mom's Kitchen. So this is SOHINI. SOHINI, you just completed your schooling, right? Ekon ki korbe tume? College. So she's just venturing into college life, becoming a young adult. Have you given your votes this time around?
No.
You were not allowed to vote this time around. So she's still not an adult, about to become a young adult. So she's gonna be cooking for us. What will you be cooking for us?
Pizza.
So pizza, something that we get delivered so quickly. A very happy food, a very fast food, a very quick make food. And I see you've got some flat bread, pizza bread. You've got some fried onions, capsicum, some scrambled eggs, and a little bit of sauce, some cheese, and some salami. And you've already got a flatbread. Just to tell you, if you want to make a flatbread of your own, all you need to do is make a big dough, roll it into a little bit of bread, but the thickness is to be thicker, perforate it a little bit, and maybe you can put it in the oven for about 1 minute to firm it up. That's all. That's how you make the pizza base. This is a pizza sauce. If you're wanting to make a pizza sauce of your own, you can use a tomato sauce base on which you add some added condiments, like you put in a little bit of chili sauce, you can add a little bit of oregano, and you can add a little bit of chili flakes. Blend it in properly and you've got your own pizza base sauce. Wonderful. So SOHINI, তুমি কি করতে ভালোবাসো যখন তুমি খালি থাকো? What do you like to do? গান ভালোবাসো? Okay, and বেড়াতে যেতে ভালোবাসো? So SOHINI loves to travel, loves music. So are you going to be singing for us? Yes, so SOHINI will be singing for us while she makes pizza for us. Wonderful, right? So let's get started. Okay. So this pizza sauce base is basically required to be a binding for the toppings that we are going to be giving, and also to put in a little bit of flavor into the pizza base. Wonderful. So evenly placed all over. Then goes some fried onions. And that a little bit of fried capsicum. And some scrambled egg. Now on that you will put in the pizza. The cheese. So we put it here. So SOHINI here is using cheese slices, which she's making into further slices and doing it. If you want, you can use some Gouda cheese and grate it into fine and use a grate on top of it, which is the actual way of making it. But this is, like I said, a quick fix way to do it. So SOHINI is using the quick way to do it. Let's put this one also, and let's not be miserly about it. And there we go. So we need to preheat the oven first up. So it's preheated now. So let's put the pizza into the oven now, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. And what do you need it for now? 600 temperature. And how long?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Wonderful. 3, 2, 1, and boom. That's it. And I can, from within the oven, I can smell the flavors of melting cheese coming out, and the smell of the fried onions coming out. And when I open it, there's a burst of these flavors coming out. Wonderful. Wonderful. So let's get this out. As you can see that the cheese is melted and is spread up on the pizza, and it is gone in, and from it I can see that it's still soft enough. It is not hard enough because we baked it only for 2 minutes. If I had made it further baking, then probably it would have become harder. This is ready. Are you going to be adding anything onto it?
Chili flakes.
A little bit of chili flakes. Wonderful. So a little bit of chili flakes. If you want, you can probably add a little bit of oregano. You can add a little bit of Tabasco sauce. Wonderful. And I can taste it now?
Yes.
Wonderful. Here we go. When I bite into the crust, it's just soft enough. It's just started to get a little bit crunchy, so that I get the crunch feel when I have it. When I dig in deeper, it's starting to get me the flavor of the cheese when I'm reaching the toppings of the capsicum and the onion. Wonderful. And now I'm getting the main body of the cheese that's coming in with the chicken, with the sausage, with the salami, sorry. Wonderful. So basically a very quick way to make it. All you need to do is basically get a base, put a little bit of the pizza base sauce on it, and then just add a little bit of fried onions, fried capsicum, a little bit of chicken. If you use a salami here, you could use sausages, or you could use a little bit of fried chicken chunks, and then add the cheese and just bake it. Just bake it for 2 minutes. That's all. Wonderful, SOHINI. It was so easy to make it. That was so quick to make it. So I didn't hear your song. So you promised to do it the next time you come to my kitchen, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. So if you liked what we did, if you liked the way SOHINI smiled and promised to sing for me the next time, keep your eyes open for Twinkle Thomas Food TV and for SOHINI on the Bong Bong's Kitchen. And if you liked it, do share the joy, spread the joy, and like, subscribe. And if you want to be on this side, just like Sohini, then please write to us. And till we meet next time, I'll look for some more new people, some more young adults like Sohini. Till then, bon appetit.